since I hit y'all with a little montage. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite professional wig head and baby mama back again with another wig review. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is the one that I'm rocking on my head right now, which is Wild One from Sensationnel's Curls, Kinks & Co collection. Really quick before we get started, if you are new here and you like wigs, click that subscribe button down below. Join the fam. It is 100% free. We might as well just be friends. You like wigs, I like wigs, I like makeup, you probably like makeup. I'm a Sagittarius. What's your sign? Tell me down below in the comment section. So now that you're subscribed, you know, and we're besties, hey sis. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys through the install really quickly, like how I applied this unit, and then we'll get into specs, and then I'll do like my final thoughts. So if you want to take a look at how I installed this unit, just keep watching.
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up, 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 back it up. Okay, so I put my face together. And this is the final look. This is what the hairline's looking like. So I like the way these curls look. I just have like this urge to brush out the curls. Like I just have this like nagging feeling that I just have to brush out the curls. Grab my little detangling brush and just brush these out real quick. So I'm not like doing the most, I'm just like brushing out the curls a little bit. But as you can see the difference between this side and this side looks a lot more full, whereas this side is like still pretty defined curls. I don't want them to be that defined. Okay, so I did brush out the curls and this is the final look. I did, as you guys saw, brush / comb the curls out using my like Amazon detangler brush. This brush is interesting. I like it for wigs. I don't like it for my natural hair, but that's a different story for a different day. So what do you guys think of my install? Did I do a good job? Let me know down below in the comment section. I didn't do like a full like bald cap method, and this is my first time using one of those like wig grips, so I have thoughts, but let me know what you guys think down below. I think I did pretty decent. I think it looks good, and it's my first time using this Kafune Melt Me Down holding spray. I use this instead of Got to Be Glued. I'm gonna do like a full review on this, but so far I really like this stuff. It dries faster than Got to Be Glued. So if you're a fan of Got to Be Glued, you'll probably like this. But I'll let you guys know, I'll do like a full review after I like take this wig off really, so I can tell you like what the experience is like to, like removing it. But I did get the remover as well, and these are on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested. So now for the good stuff, specs on this unit. So this unit again is the Wild One by Sensationnel. This is from the Curls, Kinks & Co collection. I picked her up from Hair So Fly for $36, and the shipping again, Hair So Fly. I'm gonna keep ranting. No, it's not a rant, it's a rave. Raving about their shipping because this wig got to me in like 2 days. I don't know if they're on hovercrafts over at Hair So Fly, but it got to me in 2 days. I was astonished. So anyway, I picked this unit up for about $36. This unit is a lace front unit. It does not have parting all the way around. It's just this like side part. You can shift it if you want to, but I just left it how it was. This is a textured lace wig, so it is intended to look like blown out natural hair, and it says on the placard that it's supposed to be for 3B, 4C type hair, or that's what it's supposed to be emulating, which I think that's pretty accurate. I did get this unit in a 1B. And as you can see, when I first started the video, the curls come very, very tight. I had to brush them out to get more volume like this. The unit comes with baby hair, and it does have adjustable straps, and it does have 3 combs. So 1 in the back and then 2 up here near the top, near the temple area, but I didn't use the combs because I used a wig grip. I do think that the lace on this unit was really nice. I think it was nicely done. I don't have any hair left out. This is all the baby hair that came with the unit that I like customized a little bit more. So you can see I took that out some. Ooh, child, I'm sweating. My overall final thoughts on this unit, I absolutely love this unit. I think that it is banging. I would definitely recommend getting it in different colors as well, but the 1B looks really nice and it looks very natural. It doesn't have a lot of luster at all, so it doesn't look shiny and synthetic like in the sun like some other units do. It's a decent length. Let me back up some so you can see. It's like right below my boobs, like to my waist. So right where my baby bump starts, that's where the wig ends. I will say, because this is a curly unit, it is going to tangle. This unit is tangling on me, but then again, keep in mind that I also brushed her out some, so that could be contributing to that. I'm okay with the tangling just because I like the way that the hair looks and because it's not tangling like in big chunks where you can see it. I definitely think that this is gonna be one of those units that as you wear the unit, it will look more and more natural and it'll start to look even better. That's what I love about the Curls Kinks & Co collection. I have wigs from that collection from a while ago and they look even better than when I first took them out the pack because they look more real. I will say this wig is hot. The wig is hot, okay? The wig is hot. I'm wearing a sweater. I was trying to be real cute and do this little like winter like inspo, like this fall / winter. It's getting colder outside, inspired. A bitch is hot, and I'm in Georgia, and it is 82 degrees out. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. It is really, really hot, and I'm in my house, and I'm pregnant, and it is sweltering. It's hot. If it's cold where you are, this will be perfect for keeping your neck and, you know, like the back of your neck warm, your boobs may be warm, keeping you warm in general because it's hot. But if it's still hot where you are, i.e. if you are anywhere near hot ass Georgia or hot ass Florida right now, you may want to wait till like December to pick her up because she is pretty hot. But I will say that I absolutely love this unit. I think it's beautiful. I think it's well worth the price point. I think it's it's not too expensive for this type of unit. Yeah, and I definitely recommend. Sensationnel did their thing with this one. It's very, very cute. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section as usual. Give this video a like if you haven't already. Subscribe, girl, and I will catch you in my next one.